Today on the galley, we're making marinated banana peppers. Marinated in a little vinegar, extra virgin olive oil, herbs and spices. They're amazing. Now, this creation came about because one of our family members named Laura asked me about banana peppers marinated in oil with seasonings and herbs. And I said, this we got to get into. And I did. And I've done some experimenting. I kind of started with like soaking my banana peppers, trying to like soften them up. And then I decided I didn't really like that. So I like to use them just raw. But you can actually do this with your already pickled banana peppers as well. So this is obviously small batch. I've got 2 peppers. I'm just going to do a pint-sized jar. So about 2 cups of peppers. Now I do remove my seeds, but you can leave your seeds in. It's totally fine. I'm going to go ahead and get these cut into rings. Now for my marinade, I'm going to do a 1/4 teaspoon kosher salt, 1/2 teaspoon dried oregano, and dried basil. And if you like, you can actually do a couple add-ins if you want. You can add a little bit of yellow mustard seeds or celery seeds, and I haven't done both of them together, so I'm going to give it a try. But those are optional add-ins for you. I'm just going to do a couple rolls with my mixed pepper blend. And then I'm going to do a 1/4 cup of vinegar. Red wine, white wine, apple cider, you get to pick. I'm using my red wine. Now I'm just going to give this a shake. Make sure that salt gets dissolved. And then I'm going to come to my oil. And I'm going to use a good extra virgin olive oil. And this could take from 1/2 cup to 3/4 of a cup, really just depending on how much you need. I'm going to start with about 1/2 cup, and then we can add more later. I did 1 garlic clove, I sliced it thin. In we go. I'm going to shake this up really well, and then in with our peppers. Now, this you're going to want to let sit for a day or 2. Now, we're not canning this. This is just for the refrigerator. And then, once you got them in here, then you're going to come back to your oil and just top them, just so they're just covered. Now, here's the thing with this oil. Once you're done eating all the peppers, you have this beautiful oil. You can put this in a squeeze bottle. Use it for your sandwiches. Drizzle it on your pizza. You can saute in it. You can cook your potatoes in it. Anything really that you would use oil for, you can use this oil. You know, drizzle it on top of your hummus. Dip your bread in it. You can use this to make your vinaigrettes with. So none of it's going to go to waste. So just look how pretty. Isn't it beautiful? Laura, thank you. I am so in love with these, and I wouldn't have made them without you. In your sandwiches, in your eggs. Chop these up, put them in your egg salad, tuna salad, chicken salad. Put them on your bowls. Possibilities are endless. They are so delicious. So thank you. Thank you again, Laura. Even though I have 2 jars, they're not going to last long. Love these, and I think you should make them. And when you do, send me a picture. I'll see y'all later. Bye.